Look at that gutter. Common problem? Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Alright, take the back of the anchor, and you got to hook it under here, and you have to bring it down. Bring it down here. There's a piece of metal. That's the other side of this gutter in the top. You have to put that piece around that. Some spots going to be hard to figure out where to put it in at. Just screw it right in through the top of the gutter, but don't screw it in through this strip here. That's part of the roof. Screw it right below it. And make sure it's high enough on the gutter so that water's not going to get in that screw, around that screw. Okay, banged it in around this strip here. You're going to have to, since you can't get it around the gutter, just leave it here. Close up to this as you can. It's right below it. Just going to screw it in. You need a 1/4 inch driver in the drill. Screw it in, and that's it. Nice and solid. Like the video so far, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube will share it with others. Here's the gutter now. This roof looks like it's a little, or the gutter was installed crooked because it's not even, so it's not going to be perfect. But as you can see, it's not bowing anymore like it was. That's how you can install anchors on gutters. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell. If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment.